say, who sell it? You?
Say again?
I say, you?
Do I sell it?
No, I asked to the her. I say, you?
Oh,
They say, how? I say, you are working for this civil court. You as a attorney.
Yeah.
Attorney General. That means you will be post. How many people you cast for the white? None. Do you know how many white people smoke for crack for the night time? 70%.
70%?
70%.
Damn.
This is how you know. I said, look, 10% and 5% and 3%. How many percent? 10, 5, 15 and 3. 18. 18% people, Asian, immigrant, Indian, black, Haitian, Jamaican, Cuban, smoke weed. And 70% people smoke crack. This is white out. Not even one single, even one single black and Indian. She say, you are right. I say, okay. Who supply the drug? You people. Senators. Senator. Either commissioner.
Yeah.
Either police super. They buy for the ton with the $1 billion, and I buy for the $200. I make $500. $300